Alright?
Alright.
Welcome to G-Dot, my boy.
Go on.
Alright, man. Come on.
Jane and Finch, Weston, Rexdale, Malton, Scarborough, Brampton, Jungle, Eglinton, Cause G-Dot, I'm a blood clot place. Matic in a hand, me no have none to waste.
That would is schema.
We no see we give a space. Me a dogs are rolling at the blood clot place. G-Dot, I'm a blood clot place. Matic in a hand, me no have none to waste.
That would is schema.
We no see we give a space. Me a dogs are rolling at the blood.
Alright?
Alright.
Welcome to G-Dot, my boy.
Who killed Rass Kevin from Nigril? Me a talk a little bit about him, but he's an interesting young man. I know him dead from about 2016. But we want to know who killed him. So me a talk a little bit about that case here. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. Now remember we have the You Ain't No Killer, the TV series. I did one video already, episode 1. The next one will be shown on Karma's YouTube channel today. Easy Flames. It's in the first part of this video, the commercial. I'm gonna drop another commercial before me end the video. But let's talk about Rass Kevin. Who is Rass Kevin? Now Rass Kevin, him linked with Louis Rankin. Remember Louis Rankin dead. And Karma G5. Rass Kevin was pretty much a part of this movie thing. He provided the props in the movie. He had boats. He had a glass bottom boat. Him have sea vehicles like skidoos and stuff which him rent out. Him have a big house in a Nigril and it overlook the beach. The house is in a circle. The Rass full of money. Pretty much I hear through the grapevine and other places that the Rass was a big time drug dealer. I hear through the grapevine say the Rass him also work enough Obia, and I also heard through the grapevine say the Rass have whole heap of connection with politician. Now, when somebody is linked like that with so many nefarious people, anything can happen to them. There is a story going around saying that the Rass was living in Trinidad because he used to do business in Trinidad. And him say some people try catch him for sacrifice him, and him did have to run away and run through bush and all of them thing there. Like me said, that Rass did have money. Him did have a tourism business as well as he did real estate, and him do a couple other things. So it is kind of crazy the way how the Rass end up. Now, the story where the man them say happened to the Rass. Said boy one time him did there one party in a Nigril. Him and the youth named Biggs. May I show the Biggs picture. See Biggs right here so. And Biggs then bust up the man face. Him, Louis Rankin did there, Karma, G5 and Biggs. And him bust up, the man them bust up some other man girl face and bust up people face. Me hear say all the night the Louis Rankin lick up people car, him have to give them money cause him drive drunk. And all of this are going in a Nigril, you know, in a Jamaica. Now, fast forward, 1 year later, the Rass sit down in him car, in a Nigril, and a man come and give him like 3 shots right in him car. Like him did a wait for somebody. Him drive himself to the hospital and the Rass end up dead. Now, with that said, me I gotta ask a couple questions. Now, I want the people them who think say Rass Kevin was killed because of that fight over a year ago, back in 2014, and then the next year them kill him was over him woman where man did attack to and bigs bust up the people them face. So no raising a hand. Now, raise your hand if you think say the Rass get killed over something totally different. Given the fact him is a drug dealer or drug lord, he mixed with politician, he mixed with Obia man, and him do all sort of things within the community. Now, me can't tell you which one me believe. Me believe the second one. Because number one, to how me hear the Rass dead, him in him car, like him a wait upon somebody. And the man them come and squeeze something upon him. Now, the Rass mix up with drugs. He mix up with Obia. He mix up with real estate, mix up with politician. And me hear say when the Rass dead, him just did have a baby. So, the Rass have all sort of things are going on, but me personally, 90% of the murder them when them happen, or somebody you know do it. Whether them set it up, or them do it. Now, my question is, did the police them look upon Biggs? Cause Biggs, that's his right hand man. That's all me I ask. And me hear say from him dead, Biggs stick with himself. So, we have to ask the question, why would they kill the Rass? Them not rob him, them not take no money from him, and the Rass stay with money like me say him own scuba diving thing, him own jet ski, glass boat. He had a tourism business set up. Why them never rob him? Them just come to kill him. And as you can see, it's a contract kill. Yo, who wanna know who killed the Rass? Make me know the story. Push them out and make me know the story. Cause the Rass, even though him stay a certain kind of way, he was a good man. And him not deserve that. Who wanna know who killed the Rass? Wanna push out them picture. You understand? Cause somebody asked me, say, yo, countryman, do something on the Rass. Cause he did a thing what happened to the Rass. Cause them say the Rass used to help in community. So yo, anybody know anything what happened to Rass Kevin in a Nigril? Own one of the biggest house in a Nigril. The man them for push him out. With that said, I want to listen to this.
Alright?
Alright.
Welcome to G-Dot, my boy. Alright then. Come on.
Jane and Finch, Western, Rexdale, Malton, Scarborough, Brampton, Jungle, Eglinton, Cross. G-Dot, I'm a blood clot place. Matic in a hand, me no have none to waste.
That police schema.
We no see we give the space. Me a dogs are rolling out the blood clot place. G-Dot, I'm a blood clot place. Matic in a hand, me no have none to waste.
That police schema.
We no see we give the space. Me a dogs are rolling out the blood clot.
Son, alright?
Alright.
Welcome to G-Dot, my boy.
So remember, you ain't no killer. The second episode is on EZ Films, and that's on YouTube, and that's Karma G5 YouTube channel. You can check out the third one in the membership section of Jamaica First, and that's gonna drop next Thursday. So people, if you don't want to watch the third episode of this this series, wanna check it out in the membership section. The first episode is free. It's on this channel right here, Jamaica First, Country First. The second episode will be dropping tonight on Easy Films, which is Karma's channel. And then the third one is in the membership section of this channel. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. We want to know who killed Ross Kevin. Push them out.